This is going to be a geometric pour in our crystal edge bee mold. The recipe is from Sunfire Designs, and I have to apologize ahead of time because I didn't do my geometric lines as well as she did. I started out by mixing about 6.76 ounces of Art Pro resin and added 1.52 ounces of clear to the bottom. I then mixed up 6 drops of carbon black and 1.18 ounces of resin. And as you see, this is supposed to be a geometric kind of pattern, but I just started putting lines all over the place trying to fill up the blank areas. The next part was red mica, 1 little spoon, and 1.01 ounces of resin. Again, trying to do some sort of geometric pour here, but it just turned into some lines. And I just fill up empty areas with lines. It's a wonder that my pours actually work out. The next one is 3 drops of Let's Resin Ocean White pigment paste in 1.35 ounces of resin. As soon as I'm done with the red, I'll pour the white. Again, my first swipes are good till I start going off on a tangent again and I'm doing straight lines across, angled lines across. I'm just basically trying to fill up the areas. I then had my push was 2 drops of Pyrrole Red. I guess that's what it's called by Liquitex. It's an acrylic ink, and that's in 1.69 ounces. That's the push. I also had a little bit of red, black, and gold stones and glass glitter that I put in the center. Again, this recipe came from Sunfire Designs, and she was much more careful and precision with her geometric lines for this geometric pour, where mine was just random lines all over the place. There I'm just kind of pulling the colors into the crystal edges. Once it's done and cured, it's time to demold. I think that turned out pretty. A little bit more white than I'd prefer, but it has nice cells. Let us know what you think about it in the comments below.